Addis is a very beautiful city that is transforming every single day. It feels like Dubai and New York of Africa. That's how Addis feels like. A very beautiful city with beautiful people. First of all, I love the authenticity of the people and the culture. You know, Ethiopia is not colonized. So I love the fact that when I come here, everything I experience is completely a new experience, a new adventure from the language. They speak Amharic here, from the setup of the place. I love how well planned the city is. The city is well planned, well organized, and it's a city where you move in the night, you think that you're in New York, like this light everywhere, shining like New York City. That's how Addis feels to me, and I feel like. So apart from the authentic culture of the people, also the lovely. If you come to Addis Ababa, you will see that the people are the local people of Addis Ababa. They are very, very, very accommodative. You see the nice, beautiful women, handsome men welcoming you, being nice to you. It's just a beautiful feeling here in Addis Ababa. That's one thing I actually find so unique about here. It's culture, the food, the injera, the food, the dance, the beautiful environment. Amazing, a lot of it. I'm actually looking for an Ethiopian husband. So I am still single. A very handsome, tall, energetic, wise, intelligent. It should be, okay, of course you should speak the language I speak, English, because I can't speak Amharic. You should be hardworking. I love a hardworking man. I love a man who is intelligent and wise and has goals for his future. So we can build that future together. Where are you?
Nice.
Seeing that monument makes me very, very proud of Ethiopia for not allowing, for winning that battle, because right now the land is very, 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 very free from colonization. Everything is so authentic, everything is so natural, and this makes it the land of origin and makes it easy for Ethiopia to champion other African countries towards a big change. And that is just what it represents to me. It represents a neutral leadership to Africa.